30 years ago, China opened its economy. Ever since then, the world has watched in awe China's rapid economic progress and peaceful rise.
India and China, two ancient civilizations with historic ties. It's the first ever joint military exercise between the two countries taking place here.
Troops of the Indian and the Chinese armies have overcome language and cultural barriers and perfectly executed the anti-terror mechanism that they had planned. In 1962, the gallant Indian soldiers fought the Chinese from these very bunkers. First Indian journalist to come to this part of China, we discover every day that the Chinese government is sparing no effort to bring this backward region at par with the rest of the nation. Beijing 2008 is going to be the biggest Olympics in history. But off camera, many young Chinese have raised the question, is the enormous expenditure for the Olympics really worth it? Nearly 32 years ago, a group of firebrand boys had decided to take up arms to get justice for Assam after a meeting in this historical place. Kumta is a constituency which is in the district of Golaghat in Upper Assam. It is here, way back in 1985, that the Assam Gana Parishad was formed after the end of the Assam agitation. We've started our travel from the easternmost town of Dibrugarh and will travel through the tea country right down to the capital Guwahati and then go beyond up to places like Kokrajhar and Gosaigaon bordering West Bengal. If ever there was proof needed on how destructive the Brahmaputra can get, here it is in Roh Maurya. Away from public gaze and television cameras, a relentless battle between militants and the Indian army continues.
फायर आने पर ही हम फायर ड्रॉ करेंगे.
Almost every night, patrol and ambush parties like these set out from their headquarters and try and confront the militants. I am astride a frequently used infiltration route by the militants trying to infiltrate from across the LOC. This is the Bonar forest just behind me. And this is where the Indian army is fully alert throughout the year, trying to prevent people from coming in.